YouTube. It's your boy back with another short video. Gonna be a little different today. It ain't got nothing to do with the truck. Gotta order some shoes. Let's do a quick unboxing video. Some of y'all might want to see it, some of you won't. You know, it is what it is. New to the channel, hit this like button, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. But to the shoes. Pull out this box, see what we got going on right here. Ordered 2 pair. I don't know which pair this is. Got it from Nike. Let me see. Oh, I think this is the Jordan I ordered. Jordan Retro 12. Let's see what we got here. All right. Let's see when I got these here, when I ordered them. This part right here, I thought it was gold, like gold. I didn't know it was like this yellowish type gold. But I mean, the leather feel good as hell. I mean, I can rock them, you know. They're all right. I mean, I'm not too fond of them. I got so many shoes back there, man. I might wear these things one, 2 times. You know, but they straight. They'll work. They'll pass. I just really wish that would have been gold, but hey, it is what it is, you know. And again, I might just sell them. Because I already have 1 pair like this, but it's reverse. Other ones I have, they black, and this right here is gold, like yellow or whatever. But these are the Air Jordan Retro 12 Taxis. That's what they call. You know, you got your good little carbon fiber up under the bottom right there. Man, they look alright. Let me see. Like I said, I don't know. Let me see. See how they look on foot. You know, so I might change my mind. Who knows? Right now, it's like I said, they alright. I really thought that was gonna be a gold instead of this yellowish type gold. But I don't know. See what I find. What can I find to go with it? You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. See what I can find to go with these. And again, you know, sometimes I got so many shoes back there. I get them and wear them a couple times, and that's it. On to the next one. And like I said, these right here, just I got them because I thought it was gold and not the that yellowish type stuff. I mean, oh well. But I was trying to do this jump with one hand. It ain't working. So let me go on and turn the camera off. Try them on. Say look on feet in a minute. back. I mean, they feel good. You know, they just, if you ever had Jordans on, all of them feel the same. But as far as the color wise or whatever, like I say, it's like more of the leather. I mean, it feels good as hell, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'll say in the comment, tell what y'all think. I don't want to see all that there. I don't know what that is. You know what I'm saying? It's just something, but you know. Get in the comment, tell me what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I need to keep them or sell them. Like I said, I'll probably wear them 1 or 2 times and call it a day. Feel good on your foot though, but like I said, kind of disappointed because this right here in some of the pictures is gold, like a real gold. And I got them because my truck black and gold. I got a car show coming up, and I was going, of course, you know, wear the black and gold outfit, wear the shoes and stuff. That's truck, but whatever. But yeah, like I say, my book out of 1 to 10, I give a good 7, 7.5 probably. Only because of this. You know what I'm saying? But hey, till next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Get new to the channel. And hey, we out.